How to send last location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. This takes to the Apple account screen. This section allows you to manage your account, iCloud, and other Apple services. Then scroll down to Find and tap on Find My as shown. This will take you to a page where you can manage location settings for this specific device. Now, tap on Find My iPhone. On this screen, locate the option for Send Last Location at the very end and tap the toggle next to it to turn it on. This feature automatically sends the location of your iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. Following these steps, you can easily send last location on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.